Come on, Matilda. Why, so she can bite my feet? Oh, jeez. Boy. She said, I'm done with you.
Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Matilda. Good girl.
What you mean, girl? She ain't doing nothing. Like,
Good girl actually be playing, not biting.
he's gonna lick my phone. Like, I'm kind of recording a YouTube video. Like, you ain't got it. No, I'm a keeper.
So I can get myself in the video. Yeah, you want to play shit or whatever.
You just that kind of size, that's the toilet. So, Matilda, YouTube.com/trollkills, like, comment, you know. Eat them.
I use those to walk better.
I need them. I use them to breathe. What, you breathe through your feet? Ooh, I got some crusty feet.
Straight diabetes.
Oh, yeah. DJ Khaled. What is this? Why do you have MDA? Yeah. Hi. YouTube.com/that's a totally.
Matilda Slim.
Matilda same model.
Subtract Matilda out of model.
Oh.
Okay.
Come up on here. Come on. You don't get no like, subscribe, comment. No. You have to bite my finger off.
Hey, that's not talk. Hey, let go. Matilda, no.
Okay, she done. She's done now. Alright. YouTube.com/trollkeys. Like, subscribe, comment. You already know. What's up in business? Let's go. And peace.